The CTMC SYSI is a compact cordless dust extractor for extracting M-class dust, including wood, paints, quartz, and is also designed to be used in conjunction with cordless power tools. In this guide, we will look at the different features, setup, and some system accessories. The cordless SYSI dust extractor can only be operated with 2 by 18 volt 4 amp hour compact battery packs. Insert the batteries into the back and then push until they click in position. Press the on and off button on the cordless extractor. The green LEDs on the display indicate the extractor is in standby mode. You can now press the manual button to turn the extractor on or off. The Bluetooth control can be paired and used to turn the extractor on and off remotely. To connect the remote control, turn the extractor on so that it's in standby mode. Press the Bluetooth connection button for 3 seconds. The connection display will rapidly flash blue. Press the manual button on the remote control, then the dust extractor will turn on. The remote control comes with a strap for connecting it to 27mm hose that comes with the extractor. The extractor can now be manually turned on or off with the Bluetooth remote control using the manual button. To disconnect the remote from the extractor, press and continue holding both buttons on the remote control for approximately 10 seconds. The LED will light up purple if the reset has taken place and has been unpaired. The remote control can now be paired to another Festool extractor. The extractor can be connected to a cordless tool for using in auto mode in combination with Bluetooth batteries. In standby mode, press the Bluetooth connection button once and the LED will flash slowly. With a Bluetooth battery fitted into the tool, turn the tool on. The cordless dust extractor will now start up. This connection remains until either the on and off button is pressed off or the battery pack is removed from the dust extractor. The Bluetooth batteries can also be paired by pressing the small pair button on the remote control that triggers the pairing process on the extractor. Some applications and tools require different levels of suction, so the cordless extractor allows for 3 different suction settings. To adjust the suction power, press the plus or minus button for the required level, which is indicated with the green LEDs. The tool connection sleeve can also be adjusted and is designed for when using the extractor for different applications, such as palm sanders or 4 nozzles. Open or close the sleeve ring to adjust the required level. For safety reasons, an acoustic warning alarm sounds if the airspeed in the suction hose falls below a safe level of 20 meters a second. Possible causes for the alarm sounding could be the dust bag is full, the main filter is clogged, or the hose is kinked or blocked. An alarm will also sound when the battery charge level is low. The shoulder strap can be connected in 2 different positions. The strap can be fitted into each side of the hose garage when the complete unit is transported, or can be positioned in the front of the extractor when the hose garage has been removed. The extractor can be connected to all T-LOC system sustainers either above or below the unit. T-LOC sustainers can also be fixed on top of the extractor while working. The hose garage houses a 3 metre hose, crevice nozzle and floor nozzle. The front handle also allows for easy removal when used in a drawer systems. If required, the extractor can be reduced to a smaller compact size. To do this, remove the dust hose and turn the T-LOC into the open position. Lift off the hose garage and replace the hose into the inlet port. There is also a sealing plug to seal off the intake port if required for transport. The cordless SYSI extractor comes with a self-clean filter bag that allows for consistent extraction all through the filling process. To change the bag, open the extractor via the T-LOC. The bag has a safety sealing slide that can be used and shut off so that no dust escapes during the bag changing process. Replace the filter bag and close the extractor via T-LOC. There is also allowance for an additional filter bag to be stored under the base of the housing. Depending on use and what dust is being extracted, the main filter will need to be changed periodically. To change the main filter, open the cordless dust extractor via T-LOC, unlock and fold down the lever latch, remove container by pulling it upwards. The main filter can now be removed and replaced with a new one. Check all seals are clean before replacing container. The container can now be replaced and locked into position. To keep yourself updated on Festool product information and applications, subscribe to our channel below.